Unit 9, Mixed Review Number 1. The table of ordered pairs is shown. Which graph best represents these ordered pairs? So we're given X and Y, and remember, we run to X and jump to Y. Run along the bottom, jump up. So the first point needs to be at 1.5, 3. So 1.5 is going to be between 1 and 2. And 3 is going to be up on the 3 line. And so if we run on answer choice A to 1.5 and then jump up to 3, there should be a dot right there. And so A is not correct. B, run to 1.5, jump up to 3. They've got a dot there. C, run to 1.5, jump to 3. It's got it. And D, run to 1.5, jump to 3. There is not a point there, so D is out. All right, our second point should be at 2.5, 4. So checking answer choice B, run to 2.5, which would be between 2 and 3, and jump up to 4. B's got it. C, run to 2.5, jump up to 4. C's got it. Okay, next dot should be at 3.5, 5. So between 3 and 4 and then up to 5. Between 3 and 4, up to 5. B's got it. 3.5, 5. C's got it. Next dot at 5.5, 7. Between 5 and 6 and up to 7. B's got it. Between 5 and 6 and up to 7. C's got it. And last dot is at 6.5, 8. So run to 6.5 between 6 and 7 and jump up to 8. There is not a dot there on answer choice B. So B is finally out. C, run to 6.5, jump to 8. It's got it. And so correct answer is C.